Welcome to the series of videos on Python programming. In this video, we will study some string methods, namely starts with, ends with, expandtabs, and find. As usual, the plan is simple. First, we'll look at starts with, syntax for ends with, followed by expandtabs, then find, and few working programs or examples. So, if str1 and str2 are strings, the syntax is this: str1 dot starts with, and within the parentheses str2 comma start comma end. Now str2 is also a string. So what does this do? Starts with returns true or false depending on str1 starts with str2. That is the position of str2. This string 2 is 0 in string 1, that is str1. And start and end, these two are optional integers and they can be negative as well. Now if you don't supply start and end, their default values are 0 and end of str1 respectively. But remember, the number end is not included. It means from 0 up to, but not including end, that is end. So it returns either true or false. Ends with is just like starts with, but it searches for str2 at the end of str1. Again, it returns true or false. If it ends in str2, then it returns true, otherwise false. Start and end are same optional integers which can be positive or negative. And default values for start and end are 0 and end of a string, again end is not included. Now expand tabs, the syntax is this one. So if str1 is a string, it says expand tabs num. This num is an integer whose default value is 8. Perhaps it is taken from Unix. So it removes tab character and replaces that tab character by 8 spaces if num is not provided. And all negative values of num are treated as 0. Okay. So str1 dot expand tabs. So it replaces tab character, if it has a tab character, by number of spaces equal to num. The next one is find. Its syntax is given here. Start and end mean the same thing. It returns the position of str2 in str1, and it returns -1 if it fails. If str2 is not present in str1, it returns -1. Again, start and end are optional integers, can be positive, negative. Default values are 0 and end of str1, and is not included, and so on. Okay, so if str2 is not present, it returns -1. Otherwise, it returns the position of str2 in str1. Let us see some working examples. Let us invoke Python 3. And first method is starts with. So let str be this string. How are you question mark. So str is this one. So str dot starts with let's see how. So it will return either true or false. So it says true because it starts with these 3 letters. How? It is case sensitive. It is case sensitive. We can test this. This is false. So starts with is case sensitive. Now I can have other version AR comma 3. So what I am saying here is from fourth location, that is index number 3. So how capital H is at 0, then 1, then 2, and then 3. So starting from here, that space, we have to find out whether it starts from this location or not. So let us see. It says false because AR, lowercase AR, it starts from which location? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it gives me false. Now let me say 4 here. So it says true because here I am asking it to search for beginning of the string str from fifth location, that is index number 4. Now another version is let me say 2, 5. So what I am asking is, does this string start with this location number 3, that is index number 2, but search this up to but not including the 6th position, that is index number 5. Okay, so it says false. Now another example, 4, 4. It starts from 4 and up to and including and not including this 4. So it says false because AR starts from 4, but we have to count characters up, consider characters up to but not including 4. So how is it possible? So that is why it is false. Now if I say 6, then it will give you true because here it is, you can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from this location up to but not including 6. So 4, 5, 6. So up to but not including E. So it starts. I could have left this 6 as well. Okay. Now let me say another example, 7. It says true. Now let me have the negative numbers. So minus 7. Okay. So it gives me false. Why? Because I am asking it to start from minus 7. Now here this is minus 1. Question mark is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. It does not start this string which is actually starting from lowercase r. Okay, that is why it is false. Now if I say minus 8, then it will give true. Okay, now next example is str, next method, ends with. Ends with, its behavior is just like starts with, but it scans the string for presence of another string at the end. So ends with. Now let me write you this one. Okay, it will give false because here if you see this u, it is not the end of the string. This question mark is the last character. So that is why it is false. So if I ask u question mark like this, it will say, it must say true. Okay, where's the question mark? Yeah, this one. It says true. Now let me say AR again, AR, then comma 2. It says false because I wanted to check whether the string which is starting, now you can see here again, go back to the same string here. I wanted to check whether it ends the string or not, but it starts the scanning of the string from this location. So 0, 1, 2 from W. Okay, but it does not end the string. The entire string starts from here up to and including this question mark. Does it end the string? No. That is why it is false. Now again 2, 5, 2, 5, false again, as it's quite obvious. Now let us see 2 comma 6. It gives me true, because here you can see here, pay attention here, it is start from 2 and consider the string up to but not including index number 6. So it is 0, 1, 2. So from lowercase w it will start scanning, and 2, so 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will not be considered E. So string starting from W up to and including lowercase r. So AR is at the end, and that is why it has given the result as true. Okay, now let me say str dot expand tabs. Next method is this. What does it print? The original string. Now if I say 2, again it gives this original string, because there are no tab characters, that is \t. There are no tab characters, and that is why it has not replaced. Okay, and if it replaces by default by 8 spaces. So since there are no tab characters, so it has not expanded anything. So let me have another string, principal \t, then 8 \t, this. So let's see, str1 is this. Okay, now if I say str1 dot expand tabs, if I do not supply any argument, it expands it by 8 spaces. Default value for space, number of spaces required is 8. Perhaps it has been taken from Unix. So now you can see here, here is first location 0, 1, 2 and 3. It is at 3. Okay, so every 9th location it will print the first character of the next word, you can say, or substring. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here the first word itself has not ended, so it will go to 16 spaces. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here first string ends. So again, so it is 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again L is treated being at 0. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then again 0. So next character is at space of multiple of 8, you can say. So this is 0 again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then next location 0. So this is the way it has replaced tab characters by 8 spaces. Now if I supply some other value, maybe 2. So now you can see what has happened. N is at 0, 1, 2, 3. N is at 3. Okay, N is at 3. So 4, N is at 3. So since the tab replacement number of characters is 2, so 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 like this. So capital P is at 0, R is at 1, then 0, then 1. So then it will be at 0, now 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, now 0. Capital R has come at 0, then 1, 0, 1, then 0, 1, then 0. Okay, so this is the way it replaces, and let me change it to some other value, 10. So counting should be from 0 through 9. Okay, so now N is here at 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So R has come here 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 0. Okay. Let me make it 12. So n is at 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 0. Okay. So again another example. So it is 3. So 0 through 2, 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, 0. N is at 0. So next word R rate cannot start at this one. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0. Then 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So at least one space it will have. That is why otherwise I could have started from here, but it will be treated as you can say 0 space. So at least one space it will provide. So that is why this 0 it skips 0, 1, 2. Okay. So like this. So again n is at 0, 1, 2, 0. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. It starts from 0, 1, 2, and 0 is this 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay. Now let me have the other method, find. So what was str? Str was this. Str dot find this, suppose capital Y. So what does find do? It returns the location of the substring, which is here Y. So capital Y is at 8, it says. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. I can say find Y comma 6. It means I want to search for presence of capital Y starting from location 6, which is 7th location. Okay. So it says 8. Yes, it is present. So it will give you the location with respect to the first character itself. Okay. Now find 4, maybe 4 comma 7. I want it to search in the string str, but starting from location number 4 and up to but not including location number 7. So it means 4, 5, 6. Does 5 appear in this piece? So it says -1. So when find does not find a substring in or a string in another string, it returns -1. Another example we can take, it is 4 and 9. I can see here starting from location number 4, that is the 5th location, up to but not including 9th location number 9, it finds capital Y, so it returns its location, which is 8. Okay, so it works for negative numbers as well. -9, -4, it will say -1. What is -9? -9 is because -1 is question mark. -9 is question mark, so -1 is question mark. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and -9. This is space. Okay, this is -9. But up to and including -4, up to but not including -4. So -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4. So it means I am asking it to start from this space going up to but not including capital Y. So there is no capital Y, so it returns -1. Now if I say up to but not including -3, then it will say yes, and it will return the same index values, a value 8. Its position is 8. So default values for start and end are 0 and end of the string, but not including the last character. Okay, so these are the, in this program we studied, in this session we studied 4 methods, string method: starts with, ends with, expand tabs and find. In the next video, we will study these 4 string methods: format, index, isAlnum, and isAlpha. That is all in this video. Thanks for watching.